Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and doing mathematics comfortably. As you know that several times I told mathematics needs a lot of practice and practice and practice and practice. There is no other alternative for it. अपना पेशेंस बनाए रखना, अपना धैर्य बनाए रखना, कॉन्फिडेंस बनाए रखना है. मैथमेटिक्स करोगे, मिस्टेक होगी, दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करो, दोबारा ट्राई करो और तब तक ट्राई करना है जब तक कि वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो जाए, आपको समझ में नहीं आए. आपको हार नहीं मानना है. मन में सोच के चलना है कि मुझे इसे करना ही है. These days we are doing elementary properties of group. We have discussed several properties. Today we will consider one practical example to verify the properties. So let us continue. For the group is given. J is non-empty set and this is the binary composition. Means star is this one and this is binary composition. What is the name of this? Multiplication modulo 10. Multiplication modulo 10. This is the name of this particular binary composition. So a star means this one, binary composition, and you people know that multiplication modulo 10. Just multiply two numbers. If the product is less than 10, then you write the answer as such, whatever. 2 into 4, 8, ऐसे ही लिखोगे. But if the answer is 10 or greater than 10, then divide it by 10 and write the remainder. शेषफल आपको लिखना है. This we have already done in binary composition. So J is the given set. 1, 2, 3, 4 finite. This is a finite set. Verify the following results. We have proved this one as theorem. We have proved this one. It is reversal law. Remember this. This is this I write. Both way you can write. This is A is equal to B square. Okay. Here this is reversal law of inverses. It is this. Inverse of the inverse, the element itself. These three results we have proved as a theorem. With the help of this example, this particular set, we will verify this one and this one. So let us continue. Okay. Since the set is finite, so it is better to construct the composition table. Binary operation. This is multiplication modulo 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 to the 4, 8, 2, 6 are 12. Multiplication ध्यान रखना है. 2 into 6, 12. 12 is greater than 10. Okay, so we divide 12 by 10, then the remainder is 2. 12 में 10 का भाग देना और शेषफल लिखना है. 2 into 8, 16, 16. 16 में किसका भाग दोगे? 10 का. Then remainder is 6. 4 to the 8, 6, 24, so it is 4, 32, then it is 2, 12, then it is 2, 24, then it is 4, 36, then it is 6, 48, then it is 8, 16, 6, 32, 2, 48, then 8, and here it is 4. Okay. This is the composition table, and if the set is finite, then the best way is to construct the table. Here it is. Then all the members are the members of this one. So the set is closed. That means this is the binary composition in Z. All these जो मैंने कलर्स में लिखे हैं वो सारे के सारे एलिमेंट्स इसी सेट के हैं. So this is the binary composition. This we people know that. Then the first row, top row, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here it is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here it is. Identical. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 2, 4, 6, 8. Here it is 2, 4, 6, 8. Look at this. So intersection is this one. This is the common part. This is the identity element. Six is the identity element. Okay, so this is the way to calculate it. Now, what is the inverse of 2? 6 is the identity, you can see. So inverse of 2 is 8. Inverse of 4 is 4. Inverse of 6 is 6. Inverse of 8 is 2. It is this one. Then associative laws hold in multiplication. So this is the composition table, and looking at this table we see this is a group. So here it is given the group. So this is the verification. Now we try to prove these properties. So we consider, always remember, for all values of a, b, for all, whatever you can write, 2, 4, 6, 8. So I write here, let a is 4 and b equals to, suppose I say 8. Any number, any two numbers you can consider. Either you can consider 2, 4, 2, 6, or 2, 8, or 4, 6, or 4. So I took a is 4 and b is 8. Now first part, AB inverse. What do you mean by AB? I told you the symbol between A and B, that means binary composition. Always remember. So this is A as this B inverse. It is this one. Right hand side it is B inverse. A inverse means it is like this. So this is the left hand side. First part. Left hand side is this, and this is right hand side. So AB inverse means A star B inverse, and here it is B inverse A inverse means it is this one. So we calculate it. First we calculate left hand side here. So AB means A is this B. Now A we took 4, as this 8. 4 8s are 32. 32, so the answer is 2. Answer is 2. Here. Therefore, AB inverse means inverse of A means inverse of 2. What is the inverse of 2? Inverse of 2. Look at this. Inverse of 2 is 6. Okay. B knows inverse of B means inverse of 8. We took B as 8. What is inverse of 8? Inverse of 2. Sorry, inverse of 2 is 8. Inverse of 2. Here is the identity elements and this is the inverse. Inverse of 2 is 8 because identity element is 6. Inverse of 4. Inverse of 4. Identity यहाँ दिख रहा है. So inverse of 4 is 4. Inverse of 6 is 6. Inverse of identity element is the identity element itself. Inverse of 6 is 6. And inverse of 8 is 2. 8 identity element here it is this one. So this is. So this is AB means 2. So inverse of 2 means inverse of 2 is 8. Inverse of B is inverse of 8 and inverse of 8 is 2. What is the inverse? Inverse of A means inverse of 4. And what is inverse of 4? Inverse of 4 is 4. Therefore, B inverse A inverse means B inverse S plus A inverse. B inverse is 2 star 4. That is 8. Look at this. Answer of this one is 8. Answer of this one is 8. Therefore, AB inverse is B inverse A inverse. So this is the reversal law of inverses and this is the way to prove it. Now we consider the next one. Okay, second part. AB square is A square B square. That means A asterisk B whole square equals to A asterisk A asterisk B asterisk B. It is this. A square means this, B square means this. This I have already explained in the last video. Now, first we calculate A asterisk B. What is A asterisk B? A asterisk B means A means 4, B means 8, so the answer is 2. Therefore, A asterisk B whole square is A asterisk B asterisk A asterisk B. This is repeated. So whole square means this one, already explained. What is the answer of this? Means multiplication, so the answer is 4. 2 into 2. Also, A square means that is 4. A को suppose किया था 4 suppose किया था, sorry. So it is 6. A was 4. b square b star b, 8 into 8 64, 64 divided by 10, so answer is this. Therefore a square b square means, what is a square? 6. 24 that is 4. 8. So this side is equals to this one. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore AB whole square is A square B square. We have proved this property as a theorem, and this is the verification of that theorem. Now we come to the last one, that is third. Third one is now left hand side is A inverse. This is the left hand side. Then A is 4. So let us say A inverse means inverse of A, that is inverse of A is 4 and inverse of 4 is 4. Therefore A inverse of inverse means inverse of 4. What is the answer of this one? Or you can say inverse of A inverse. Here it is. You can say this one and this one. And here it is this one. So it is inverse of this element, and this is 4, and this is 4 itself. Therefore inverse of the inverse, the element itself. Okay, so this is the way to verify the properties that we have discussed. I will give you one problem on this, so at home you just try to prove this property by different examples, and this part is over. Most of the properties we have discussed. Now in the next video we will consider some new topic, but it is again related to the group, that is order of an element. You remember we have done order of a group. Order of a group means if the set is finite, then number of elements in that set is the order of the group. But remember, we have to define order of an element. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.